Hi everyone! These types of motion pictures are blowing up on Instagram right now, and they look absolutely amazing. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own using the ChatGPT app, so make sure you watch the full video. First, open the ChatGPT app, tap the plus icon at the bottom, and select Create Image. Next, hit the plus icon again to go into your photos and upload the picture you want to use. Once your photo is added, you'll need to paste a specific prompt here. I'll show you where to grab this prompt later in the video. One cool thing is that you can actually customize the movement style to your liking. For example, I'm going to delete the extra words and just keep the motion style. Then, just hit the arrow to start generating your picture. It takes a little bit of time for the AI to work its magic, so just hang tight for a moment. Once it's done, click on the image and hit the download arrow to save it directly to your device. To get this prompt, just head over to the description below the video and simply copy it from there. Let me know what you think of this tutorial in the comments. See you in the next one.